Hi, I'm Bob Qualla, Kuraray America's Chief Compliance Officer. I'm here to talk to you about the revised Kuraray Group Compliance Handbook. You'll notice that the handbook has a new look. However, the same principles and values are still there. Kuraray is fully dedicated to compliance and ethical behavior. This dedication has been outlined in the Kuraray Group Compliance Handbook, which details our commitment and the Kuraray Group Code of Conduct. Our Code of Conduct outlines the ethical principles that guide the way we conduct business and behave in the workplace. The Compliance Handbook is designed to help us make right and lawful choices when confronted with difficult decisions. Please read the Compliance Handbook carefully and keep it in your workplace as a reference guide. Every employee plays a vital role in maintaining these values. We also have a formal compliance program to make sure that we have our processes in place in our daily business activities to support our commitment to ethical behavior. The compliance program is reinforced by many policies and procedures. As the Chief Compliance Officer, I am supported by the Corporate Compliance Committee, which consists of representatives of our business functions. Together, we oversee compliance policy development, education and training, compliance audits, investigations, and risk assessments. If any part of the Compliance Handbook or the compliance program is unclear to you, or if you have questions about a situation, please seek assistance. You can discuss your concerns with your supervisor, other members of management, or me. You can also contact the employee hotline at 888-219-3538. I encourage your questions. If we adhere to the principles of the Code of Conduct and Compliance Program, we'll achieve our ethical and operational goals. Your shared participation is integral to our success. Thank you for your hard work, dedication, and attention to this important initiative.